When people are injured, whether it's as a result of a car accident, a trip and fall, or on a construction site while working, entering a store or hotel, their first question is, do I have a case? By that question they mean, can I be compensated for my injuries? Unfortunately, before a lawyer can answer that question, they need to know all the facts. So for example, if it's a trip and fall, do you have a photograph showing the defect upon which you fell? Where was the defect located? Is it the city's obligation or an adjoining homeowner's? How serious was the defect? If it's a car accident, were you a pedestrian crossing with the light? Crossing in the middle of the street? Were you a driver? Did you have the green light? If it's a construction case, who is responsible for the equipment? What made you fall? What made you get injured? These are all the questions that a lawyer needs answers to before they can answer the question, do I have a case? So to find out if you have a case, the best thing you can do is contact an experienced attorney who's reputable in the field of personal injury. Most law firms and attorneys will provide a free consultation, so there's no charge to you to meet with one lawyer or more than one lawyer and ask them, do I have a case? Over the years, I've also received many calls from people asking, do I have a case? And when I explain to them that they can visit more than one law firm and interview more than one attorney, most people are surprised. It seems that most people will hire the first lawyer they meet. My advice is, just like you interview other professions, interview 2 or 3 attorneys, see what they have to say about your case, see who you're comfortable with as a law firm and as an attorney based on how they meet with you and how they treat you and how they answer your questions, and then hire the law firm that you're most comfortable with.